Hi, friend, do you want to learn how to make keychains? I have many tools and videos for you to learn. In the course of learning, there are any questions can be asked. To ask questions, I see the reply. Thanks for your support and encouragement.
Hello friend, welcome to my store. This is showing a handmade stainless steel wire handmade keychain. Handmade keychain woven by 300 for stainless steel and diagonal 0.0 mm. It's sturdy, durable, color-fast, and stylish. The keychain is about 6.5 cm long and weighs 50 grams. Polished by craftsmen, it is like a work of art. As a gift to relatives, family and friends. Absolutely cool. The keychain can decorate your keys, backpack, car key holder, or any other item. It's an ideal gift for your friends, family, partner,